spawn still.
In what?
And they're spawn still. One of them somewhere in there is looking at me, but I can't see him. He's like this, looking up, but I can't get him because of the bushes. He's at their spawn. He's in their bunker. First bunker's clear, but oh, he's still there. You see him, right? Right here, look. Like right here. You see the black? He's in the second bunker, yo. He's in the second bunker. I'm gonna tell him. Yo, I'm gonna cover the second bunker.
You and Iron Man are covering me.
Get to the first bunker underneath that. Alright, but shoot it first.
Iron Man shooting.
Go on that side and shoot it. Yeah.
1 second. Wait.
1, 3, go. I saw you at the corner of my eye, fogging up right here. I was like, oh, perfect opportunity to snipe you in the night. Oh, good game, dude. Yeah, no, I told the other guy to get the guy in the corner because he had sight on me, and when he did, I just rushed it. And I got the other 3. And then, yeah, your guy that you were talking about, he was open, but he was